Hello and welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a video in a while and I'm going to do one today now. I got a membership with COPART, so I'm going to see can I get a few cars in COPART and do a bit of flipping, flip a few cars, but it's grand. I've already now done a bid on a car, so I should have shown it, but I'll just go through it first and show how this works, this COPART in Ireland. Well, the same as COPART anyway. In this instance here, we have the auctions, and then we have upcoming auctions. And then you have like Chester, Sandtoft, Sandwich, Westbury, and etc. as you go down the list. Most of them are in between England and mostly England, and then Scotland, a few, Peterlee, and there's a few in, I think, in Wales, but there's one in Belfast, and there's one in the Republic here. It's Castledermot in the Republic, but what I like about the northern one, the northern one is, and the UK one, when you click on it, then it shows you the cars, what's on offer, and you go into the filter, and then you can hit like Porsche's type, for example. And in this case, there's a buy it now. There's 7 for buy it now. Or you could go into category and the stolen recovery. There's 2 in this. So let's have a look at the stolen recovery. Now these are usually really good, so we'll apply that there. In this case, we have a 2015 Land Rover, Range Rover, and a 2015 Nissan Qashqai. This one has 54,612 miles on the clock, so it's a little less than 100,000 kilometers. And the Range Rover has 71,000, so it's a little over 100,000 kilometers. And the bids on these both are £200 is on this so far, and 4,100 on this. So let's have a look at this one first of all and see. So in this here, this is the thing when you remember, it's handy, you have a calculator. So let's have a look there. So its estimated value is 9,750. So we'll just say, for example, you wanted this car and you put a bid in, say we'll say £4,000 sterling. So for £4,000, and then you just hit the old calculate button and it'll tell you then. So it's £4,000, you're bidding, it's £419 for sale price. Buyer's fee is £419. Internet bidding fee is A9, and then lot removal, so that's the machine, the machine's bringing it out, and then VAT on it is 109, so it's 4,657. So it'd be nice to get something like that. Then if you just flip that, then at the retail value, you could easily put that back up on, say, Dundeel or one of them at, say, £7,000, flipping and making a nice few pound. So that's the northern one. Let's just check out and see what they have here on a buy it now. Where is Belfast again? There we go. So we'll check out buy Porsche type, buy it now, and then we'll apply. So what have we got? 2014 Mercedes. That one took a right smack on the driver's side. There's a motorbike 2000 there. So 2050 for the Mercedes. 2014 is 50,000 miles on the 800 for the bike. 2020 Audi A1 city car. So you can take that away for 7,000. And that goes down the list like this. And there is some nice cars in it, there's some good deals to be had here in the buy it now. Like this 2017 Ford Fiesta, 3,100. Let's just have a look, see what's wrong with it. We'll hit the picture and we'll go through it. So side. Took a nice smack to the side. It was been T-boned. Inside looks quite nice. Engine looks really good there now. Yeah, there's only airbag lights on, door open, handbrake lights are on that. 244 miles. Yeah, 17,523.5 miles on this. So let's have a look at the damage. Just so we just see, you know, what exactly the extent is. Wow, that's wrecked. Wrecked. Now what category is this now? S, repairable structural. So yeah. So run and drive, obviously it will run and drive, but there is that one there, and that's 10,170 is the retail value of that car. So we just come out there now, and we'll just head into, we'll go back into main auction. So the one I'm bidding, I just done a bid there in Castledermot. Loads up. So as you can see here, there's quite a few cars here in the Irish one, but I find with the Irish one, there's a lot of high mileage on them, but it is kilometers, I suppose, and there's quite a few nice cars in there as well. But the problem is here in the category, you don't have that many stolen recovery. There's one this week, so let's see what we've got here. So it's just sort of a farmer's type vehicle, so that'll be no use to me. Let's have a look then again and see what we've got here in the purchase type, and you buy it now. So no, there's 50 cars and they're all auctioned. You can go through make, and then now there's all the makes. If you want a particular make, so if you want to go and say for Toyota, bang, apply, 6 cars will come up there. There's 6 cars comes up. Now this is the one I've bidded on. It's a 2014 Toyota Aqua, and this car here is a 9,000 estimated value. It's a hybrid. It's a Category D salvage, and it's vandalism. So basically, with this car, there's keys. It says there is keys there, so there's keys with it. There's no VAT to be added to it. It's petrol, and logbook is on file. And we see what damage is on this car. Obviously, the story of this car is it's in good, lovely shape. As you can see, it's quite nice, and it's automatic. Like interior is in excellent condition. You can see the engine is just spotless. Really is. It's in lovely condition. Now, as you can see, usually they would have the engine running, but in this case it's not. But obviously somebody was trying to steal it, so people obviously don't know that cars are mobilizers these days. So some fools broke into it, ripped off the cover, ripped out the ignition barrel, and tried to start it with a screwdriver, but obviously with a mobilizer it's not going to be that simple, and this is where they broke in. So that's the damage. There's that, and there's no ignition, and the keys are there, so this is a grand job. So I put a bid on that there now. So as it stands, there we go, we'll go back here. So my bid is €725 so far. So in the bid now, but like it's going to be a while before another many days. It's going to be there's 18 days left, so that's going to go up definitely for sure. And it's a pure sale. Pure sale means, like, for example, if that was the bid and it was the sale day and it came up, the lot came up and it was 725, no one else bidding it, bang, that's it, it goes for that. Otherwise it would be on minimum bid or reserve, so you'd have to wait for the sellers to get back to you and that sort of thing. But yeah, I might go about $2.5 grand on this car, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to do a video on this and see can I get up to the COPART yard, maybe have a wee look around and try and get a few videos in there. But definitely something more for people to look into, and you know, if you're a few pound handy, definitely worth your while trying to make a few pound off this, because and a bit of fun, especially with nice cars like this. But I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave another comment, and yeah, have a good day, and we'll keep an updates as it goes along. See you soon.